how to follow and unfollow topics on Twitter. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, top left corner, and then click on the topics. When you click on the topics, then you come to this page, and here by clicking on the following, you can see all your following on Twitter. So you have to scroll down, and then you have to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, and here you can see all the suggested topics. So you can see the suggested topics, and in the bottom of these suggested topics you can see the more topics. So you have to click on the more topics, and then you come to this page, and here for following topics, to follow the topics you have to firstly click on the topics here, and it is followed. So that's it, that how you can follow the topics. You can do this by any of the post. Firstly you have to tap of any of the topics, and it is followed on the so that's it. And to unfollow the topics, you have to firstly click on the any of the followed topics, and it will unfollow. So that's basically it, that how you can unfollow the topics on Twitter. So firstly you have to click on the any of the topics to follow, and then again click on the followed topics to unfollow. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate.